The seer moves through shape and time and learns by what appears. Wearing forms and borrowed names through many passing years. Mistaking movement for the self and stories for what stays. The soul forgets its deeper ground within the changing days. Liberation comes through wisdom when ignorance releases hold. When the seer remembers what it is beyond the forms it knows. What once was bound to surface life begins to fall away, and truth appears as living light that quietly will stay. Through lived experience, sight refines what matters and what fades. Discernment draws a clearer line between the real and made. Attachments loosen one by one as clarity takes shape. The personal self begins to clear its long assumed escape. Liberation comes through wisdom when ignorance releases hold. When the seer remembers what it is beyond the forms it knows. What once was bound to surface life begins to fall away, and truth appears as living light that quietly will stay. Purification clears the path through steady inner work. Discipline aligns the will with what the soul has learned. Through widening states of awareness, the inner vision grows. Each veil dissolves as consciousness its deeper nature knows. With every false belief released, the soul steps into grace, no longer bound to birth or form or time and passing place. Renunciation finds its rest in knowing what what is true. And freedom stands